Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1973 MG Midget. We've known the car for a long time, having restored it quite some time ago for the owner. The car has seen very little use since the restoration. As you can see, it's still in absolutely outstanding condition. Car was completely renovated front to back. It's still to be valeted, but nonetheless has come to us in very clean condition. Drives superbly, excellent paintwork, panel fit is really good. Pretty well everything is still as it was when we restored it. So complete interior retrim, so new seat covers, refurbished dashboard, refurbished instruments. Of course, got the peppy 1275cc engine, sought after round wheel arch version. Beautiful green colour. Just have a look in the boot for you. As you can see, the wheels were refurbished at the same time. New tyres fitted. Pop the bonnet too. As you can see, everything's still in really good order. Painted finishes. I have a Searle engine that's done very few miles since the restoration. Overall, a really lovely example. As I say, yet to be cleaned, but just thought we'd give you a preview of the car as it arrived with us. Any questions at all, please contact us at Beech Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.